Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. So, jumping in really quick. I'm outside, and I am starting my fall garden. So, as you guys can see, I have some lettuce right here. I am experimenting. This is right here. This is a lemon cucumber. This is some Brussels sprouts. And the reason I say I'm experimenting is because this is cucumber, and I think the cucumber season is over. I'm in zone 9A here in Cypress, Texas, Houston. So as far as I know, the cucumber season is over, but I'm going to see. I have some garden beans right here. This is some summer squash right here. I have some Swiss chard right here. Some spinach right here. Some sweet basil right here. What else? And I just dropped some more spinach seeds in here. And I'm going to be dropping some kale. Some more lettuce. And I've already dropped the spinach in those too. So just to take you guys along, these are my pepper plants. I have them in a shaded area next to the house, and they are putting on some blooms. These are, let me move this one out the way. Some more pepper plants. I started these in the house, and they are growing. Just experimenting. I don't know if they're going to produce anything. Well, these are, hopefully. I don't know about these because they're so young, and it's August now. But if you guys remember, a couple of weeks ago, well, this is my mint. It's doing awesome. It was pretty burnt from the sun, but it's growing back. I just fertilized everything with a little 13 and some of that 511. So I just fertilized everything. And this one over here, the flowers are dying, but there's some more coming out, and I'm kind of staying away from him because he had a big wolf spider sitting on him. So this is my onion, doing well. This is another pepper plant, and it has some flowers on it, and I have an onion in there as well. And look at here, guys. These were filled with spider mites. This was my first time seeing spider mites in my garden. I didn't know what they was, and I had to look them up. So I sprayed with a little orange oil concoction on them. Yes, it definitely burnt the leaves up, but look at them. They are growing back. I don't know about this one. This is a white eggplant. It's struggling. But all the regular purple eggplants, they're growing back. But yeah, the spider mites were tearing them up. This is another tomato. I did prune it back pretty good, but it looks like I'm going to have to prune it back a little bit more. This is another one that's coming up. So that's that, y'all. All of these things were like just, they were looking horrible. Besides the onion. The onion never did. It always looked really good. But the rest of the plants, yeah, they were gone. So as you guys can see, it's not really shining. The sun is not really shining at that area. So that's why I put them over there. And we'll see if I get any eggplant, any bell peppers. red chili peppers, tomatoes. We shall see. It's still pretty hot out here, but I'm about to drop some more seeds. I'm gonna drop some of this kale and some more lettuce. All right, y'all. So this is one of my... Okay, y'all. So this is a crate. I had strawberries in here. Well, the strawberries were actually in the top crate. This was the bottom crate. That I used. So I took this one and I'm going to put some lettuce in here. So I got this lettuce from Target. Oh, and there's a bee. Just as long as he don't bother me. He's over there doing his business. Y'all see him? Just keep on going over there, dude. Don't bother me. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do this with one hand and open. Okay, so I had to get out of Mr. B's way because so I had to get out of the bee's way. So I'm doing this with one hand. So I'm gonna take some lettuce seeds and I'm gonna spread them in. Oh God, I think he's back. Did you guys get to see that? I can hear him. Okay, so yes, I like the bees to fertilize the garden, but I'm cooking. Okay, I'm moving. Could they just leave me alone? Could he just leave me alone? I just want to plant my lettuce and go about my business. Man. Okay, y'all. Let me plant my lettuce and cover this lettuce up and go inside. This is ridiculous. Okay, so this is a lot of lettuce in one spot. I'm going to try to move it around and just cover it in. And I should have sprayed it around. Okay, I'm going inside. Damn it. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. I'm going inside. I'm done. Me and bees don't get along. I'm sorry. I don't know how I'm gonna be anybody's beekeeper. Maybe if I had a suit on, I might not be worried. But right now, the bee has won. As long as he doing something else with a plant or whatever, I'm fine. Just don't fly around me, dude. Anyway, y'all, that's it. That's the end of the video. I'll come live when I'm either in my garage doing some more stuff or tomorrow, y'all. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Don't be too hard on me because the bee scared me out of my own garden. I'm gonna try again tomorrow. It's hot out here. I'm done for the day anyway. I'm gonna water that in and be done, y'all. Until I see you guys in the next video, you know what it is. Peace.